Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a no-code AI agent in n8n. So we are going to have here this specific AI agent that will be an assistant for the customers, or it can replace some of the employees. So we are not going to set up here a whole employee for that, but it is going to be the setting of the simple tasks only. So we are going to head over n8n and then we're going to create our workflow. So you can go ahead and head over the workflow and create it on the project, which is going to be, as you can see here, on the personal project. So I'm going to head over the workflow and we're going to add the first step, which is going to be here, add in a trigger. So what is going to trigger this workflow? Basically, we are going to have here either you are going to trigger it manually or you can go ahead and have it on a message. So basically, an AI message is going to be responding to a customer message. So we are going to click on chat message and then we're going to have it just like that. You can go ahead and test the chat. For example, type in hi and then you're going to see the response. So note is executed as you can see successfully. So we have the output in here. I'm going to here set up the chat so we can go ahead and see the chat. After all, it has been set up. Now, what can we do basically is to add another node, and from here we're going to have AI agent. So we're going to have here the AI agent added, and based on the specific AI agent that you're going to have here, you're going to have it, for example, as a database. You can add a chat model and also you can add some tools. Also, you can go ahead and give it a memory. Now, as you can see, you're going to choose the source of the prompt or for the prompt. You can go ahead and have the user message. So it is going to be connected, as you can see, automatically for the trigger node. And for the prompt, you can go ahead and have it like that. So chat input, which is going to be on the here. So I can go ahead and see that we can go ahead and have a message I, for example, and you're going to have the chat. So we have no response, but as you can see here, the agent has successfully put up in here. So here, as you can see, it is going to be undefined. It doesn't matter a lot. So what are we going to do basically here is going to have maybe some or add a chat model. You can go ahead and have maybe DeepSeek added in here. So you can go ahead and have a property for that, but I'm not going to have it like this. So we can go ahead and have here another message, and you're going to see that we have the balance. So open node. So we have no balance payment required. So this is unfortunate in here. So you can go ahead and have um, DeepSeek set up in here, and then you're going to have the balance. So that means that you need to head over the API of DeepSeek and buy some credits to set it or as a balance. So it is going to respond for that. Doesn't matter a lot. You can go ahead and have here, for example, instead of DeepSeek model, you can go ahead and have another, let's say here, assistant, or you can go ahead ChatGPT, whatever. I think that ChatGPT is going to be a better solution, which is going to be a little bit for free, I think, or it is going to be limited. Now, in here, as you can see, we are going to have the tool. So you can go ahead and add a memory, or you can go ahead and have a tool. So the tool is going to be something like here, the Google. You can go ahead and have here a tool from, let's say here, SERP API, which is going to be the help of Google search in here, or you can go ahead and have it as your way. So in here, you can go ahead and set up this node as you can see it is going to be a reverse node. So whenever you are going to launch a chat, it is going to or it has to be back in the chat in here. And you can go ahead and have here, for example, an action of having something else. So basically you can add multiple AI agents. So they are going to be in here. So for example, if you're going to refine the responses, you can go ahead and have multiple AI agents added in here, and then you can go ahead and change the model of the specific chat. Then you can go ahead and record for references the data into a drive. For example, you are going to have here a Google Drive. You can go ahead and set up or create here a file. So let's see here, create. Uh, it's not on Google Drive, but it is, I think, on Google Docs. So I have been confused a little bit. So you're going to have Docs. So you're going to create a document, and that document source is going to be like that, create, and then it is going to have in here. So error running node AI agent. So it is going to have the AI agent set up in here. So it doesn't matter a lot. You need only to pay up here the bills for DeepSeek. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.